The incident began with an argument that quickly escalated into physical altercation, prompting police intervention. The woman, who is currently pregnant, was arrested on charges of domestic battery and resisting law enforcement. Evidence and statements at the scene indicated the severity of the situation.
What's going on? Nothing. We could go out there. We're not going to talk out here. No. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm pregnant. Don't touch me.
I don't care. I want you to go back in there.
I'll record you.
Go in there.
I'll record you. No, I'm not good. I don't have to be inside here.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have to touch me. Don't put your hand on me. Don't put your hand on me. You don't put your hand. Let me go.
Ma'am, you're about to go in handcuffs. You're about to go in cuffs.
No, let me go here.
Come in here and you're going to talk with me.
No, we're going to talk over there, but I want to hear everything.
No, you're not. No, you're not, ma'am. I'll step back inside.
No, you guys need to stop. Let me go, sir.
You're about to go in here. You want to go in handcuffs or do you want to comply?
No, sir.
Then go sit down.
I don't want to.
Go sit down.
I'm not sitting down. I'm staying right here.
Ma'am, this is real simple. You're going to do what we say to do at this point because we're investigating a crime, or you will go in handcuffs and go to jail for resisting. Do you understand me? Then sit down.
I don't want to sit down. Can I just stand?
Get her information.
I'm not giving you my information.
This is real simple. You are going to give us your information or you're going to jail. Do you understand?
You can't. That's weird though. Okay. Okay, I give it to you. It's not your Pineda.
Stop.
I'm not. No, I gave it to you. I did my purse. I can't. I did my purse. It's in my purse. I'll give it to you.
You're going to cooperate.
No, I am. It's in my purse. You grab my purse. My wallet's in there. I don't want to talk. Just grab my information. My wallet.
You don't want to give us your information?
I said, I said, I'll give it to my wallet. I'm not.
It's real simple. You have to
Yes, I'm saying, I'll give you my wallet.
Stop moving around. Sit still.
I am. She got her elbow right there.
You're right.
I'm fine.
Because you're moving around.
I'm
Stop.
not moving.
Sit still.
I'm not.
Listen to me. You're not in control of this situation. Do you understand that? I want you to understand that because now that you're in handcuffs, it didn't have to be this way.
I was gonna give you to
Really? Because the whole time you've been resisting us the whole time. When I asked you for your information, you said, I'm not giving it. What does that mean?
Sorry, I didn't want to give it to you. I was gonna give you my ID better.
No, you weren't. You said, no, I'm not giving you my information. Don't try to twist the words.
I'm gonna give you my ID better.
All right.
Please. My ID's in my purse. Yes, go ahead.
Hey, one of y'all. Okay, just make it short.
No, inside the middle part. Middle, please. Right there. It's my passport. Give my passport to them.
The case reflects the persistent tensions in conflicted relationships. Psychological pressure during pregnancy and emotional conflicts cause the woman to lose control. However, under no circumstances should violence be used to resolve issues, as it only harms both parties in the relationship.
Me and my argument, we have an argument. They thought it was an argument, big fight. It was not a fight. It was just a conversation. So they gave me anger management on me. What's the thing called?
Anger monitor?
Anger monitor. So I stay at
So
the
you said
shelter.
you didn't complete your community service, or we signed community service for? Was it you said the fight?
Yeah. No, for my first case.
What was your first case?
Battery charge for it was a battery charge for him and then some other one. I don't have the paperwork with me.
Okay.
You seem like the aggressor. I'll talk to you in a minute.
I rescheduled, but we were going to have a conversation with me and him and the girl. I wanted to meet her face to face, and then that's when we came to here. We got to the argument, and I was grabbing his shorts to grab the keys so I could get my purse out of the car, and that's when the shirts happened when we were walking, and I kind of yanked it. I was hanging with my purse, got stuck on me. So I ripped the shirt out. But mostly I was grabbing his pants.
All right. I just want to read you something just because I want to ask you 2 more specific questions regarding it. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
Are you supposed to do that when you guys put your handcuffs?
No, this is when I want to ask.
Time out for just a second. Stop talking. Let him talk. He's reading your rights.
I know, but I'm just saying it's different laws.
He
I'm used to
put you in handcuffs, and now he's asking you questions, so that's why he's reading your rights.
Right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise your rights to not answer any questions. Do you understand the right to have time to you? Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to speak with an attorney?
Yeah. I have an attorney, and my counselor's right there. Pull up.
So, have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to speak to an attorney regarding this incident?
No.
Okay.
Nobody asked me that for now.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
No.
Okay.
So you don't want to talk? Okay.
No, I want my attorney.
Okay.
But do I gotta go arrested for this? Or no?
Well, we'll complete our investigation. We'll let you know.
Why don't?
Without being able to talk to you,
Well, if you talk to me, I need your name. I can't see your name, so I don't like talking to somebody without knowing your name.
Officer Biddle, BID leave.
Okay. Now we can talk. Sorry.
Okay, time out. Just so we're clear.
Sorry, I didn't know. I couldn't see his name.
This
I want it.
I know. Just so we're clear, this is Officer Biddle.
This whole conversation is being recorded. You first said you did not
Yeah,
want to
because
talk
I
to
didn't see
him.
his name
I
back.
got you.
Sorry about that.
But just so we're clear, you first said you did not want to talk to him.
The woman's actions not only violated the law but also breached the conditions of her probation. Her refusal to cooperate with the police worsened the situation. Her arrest was entirely justified, as there is no rational basis to excuse violence in any context.
We just having an argument, man. We're just having a talking because the situation with a female that he had, and that was it. And then I found out that he's cheating on me twice with the same girl,
Okay.
and everything else. And
So-
then we're just discussing about it. And then he said, "I'm gonna drop you off," and that's I already told you that I rescheduled the appointment. That I'm gonna do it an hour, so me and him to talk it out, and that's it. And then he made it a big thing about it. His girl, the girl that he cheated on me, and I was grabbing his shorts to grab the keys so I could get out. So I had to take my break out and get out, and that's what I did. Nothing, and I was just grabbing his short, the pants, shorts button, the button thing from the middle part, the button, when you tie your buttons, it broke, and that was it.
Okay.
I was only trying to grab the keys only.
Okay.
Get out my,
But
get my
you
purse out.
understand we're caught out here in regards to a fight.
Yes, it was
So-
an argument going down.
So no, not an argument, a physical fight. So, and I mean, I'm looking at his shirt. You have, blood on you, some stuff. It got physical. I need you to tell me about that.
There's no blood. It's been like this. I've been having
You
it.
feel like, and your hand's been cut.
Boyfriend?
Yeah.
You are? Okay.
No, kind of, not really. I think no.
Okay.
I don't know if that makes sense.
I know he picked you up this morning, and that's kind of back and forth as far as he willingly went and had contact with you. But if that's the case, you're not supposed to have contact. Okay. All right. We'll clarify all that in a minute. I'm gonna
Can
look
I
up
just
the-
not get arrested, please?
No, ma'am. You gotta go.
Because my
Hey, listen. I'm gonna make this clear. I know you have. Listen. I know you have skinny wrists, and I know those cuffs may come off.
No, it's not.
Hey, listen.
You already
Listen. If you pull out of those cuffs at any point during your ride to jail, you will have a felony charge for escaping. Okay. I just want to make that clear right
I'm
now.
not, ma'am.
Okay. All right,
Can
stand
I
up
just
for me.
stay? My mirror's right
No.
there.
Come on. Stand up.
Police 400 to south, police 400 to south.
That's crazy.
All right. You stand right here.
This side.
Do you have her? I'm gonna put gloves on.
You want to help them out and let them know that it's 10:15 now?
Can I get my phone? I gotta make one phone call.
No, you can make a phone call at the jail.
Controlling emotions and maintaining calm during conflicts is crucial to avoid unfortunate consequences. The law does not tolerate violence, and any violation will come with a price, especially when under probation. This serves as a reminder to everyone about the importance of self-control in stressful situations.
Oh. Start that tool. There's like a little wrench in there.
Will you drop those in the purse? I got her.
Wait a minute. I'm flipping.
You're fine. Oh, I'll get it. You open it? Well, I'll help you. All right, face away from me, and I'm gonna grab the seatbelt. There you go. Now it's not tight on your belly.
On October 2nd, 2024, police were called to a house following a report of a woman causing disturbances and property damage. The woman had previously lived in the basement of the house 6 years ago and claimed that the homeowner had taken her 4 dogs. However, evidence did not support her allegations.
Broadway 10.
He won't answer his phone. He took 4 of my dogs. I don't know where they're at. He will not answer my phone calls, so I'm going to come here every day to find my dogs.
Okay.
Every day. So
Do you
can
still
come
live
back
off
every-
Broadway?
Yes.
You still have your home off Broadway?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So you came here uninvited, correct?
I never knew I was uninvited. He just stopped answering his phone. I got sick. I needed him to take care of my dogs. All 4 of them are missing. He won't answer his phone. He does this when I try and come up here. You really think that's fair?
So
I lived here for 8 years.
you lived here in this home? You rented?
Yeah, he has a basement downstairs.
Okay. So he's your ex-roommate?
No, friend. As far as I knew.
Okay, but you guys live together.
Yeah, but not. He's married. I just had an apartment downstairs.
Okay, so him and his wife lived here and you lived in the basement for 8 years? Okay, and you've moved out since? How long have you moved out?
It's been 6 years.
And you've been in that house off Broadway?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know if have you ever been told not to return to this property? Have you been issued a trespass warning?
No.
No. Okay. All right. You said you saw. Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. Riley, your last name is Hill. What's your date of birth? Yeah, I'm actually familiar with her.
Yeah. This might have been here once before, actually.
Yeah. We've actually spoke over the phone a few months ago regarding the same incident.
Yes, I did.
As well as I'm
The
familiar with
dispatcher
her.
was familiar with it.
Okay. She said she's moved out. So she used to live here with you and your wife.
6 years ago.
6 years ago. Okay, yeah. And like I said, she has a house out Broadway. We got many calls, regarding her mental status. Have you ever told her not to come back? Has she been repeatedly? Okay. Has she ever been issued a trespass warning by law enforcement? That you know? She has.
She was removed once from the property and issued told her not to come back.
Okay.
And she was
do you know
removed
how long ago that was?
That was about, I don't know, the initial time she removed. I called the police several times.
Okay.
One time
I'm going to verify now. If she usually they're valid for a year. Do you know
Yeah,
if
it was
they
definitely
okay.
within a year.
So let me check her.
I don't know whether the police officer that came actually logged it because he just walked her off the property.
Okay, I'll double check. If not,
But I had that call with you where I said she'd be.
yes.
See, now it's at the point like her parents were trying to support her, but she inundates them with all kinds of crazy texts and phone calls. She's threatened my wife on Facebook. She's like, I'm coming for you.
Okay, she said she called you multiple times. Is that true or no?
The situation escalated when the woman was charged with trespassing and property damage. She may be facing mental health challenges and needs support rather than criticism. However, acts of vandalism and property invasion cannot be justified, no matter how difficult her circumstances.
It's like, but now her mother and her sister want her charged.
Okay.
I don't know.
They're not from here, right? I believe I spoke to them before. They live somewhere up north?
Yeah, one lives in
Okay.
Louisville. The
So
other one lives in,
let me ask you this. If she is documented trespass warrant in our system right now, do you want her to be prosecuted for trespassing?
okay,
It's a misdemeanor arrest. She'll be taken to county jail.
you think she'll get some help there? Because that's what her sister and her mother.
She won't. And I've been out with her before. She refused help.
Yeah.
So, I don't know if she's been arrested recently, but
what she did here. She forced my gate and she left this open.
okay, yeah, then she's definitely. I mean, it's entirely up to you, but
I don't know what else to do at this
right.
point.
So, and again, it's an ongoing issue. So
She obviously knows she's not supposed to be here because
Right,
I
well,
have given her a couple of warnings before, and she's obviously coming here because she thinks she's going to get some kind of sucker here because she's been cut off by her parents. I appreciate the quick response, and yeah, I'm going to press charges.
reference that subject in the call. Can you see if she's been issued a trespass warning from this 20?
He's old now. He's 12 years old,
The
so he
dog.
doesn't go wandering
She said
around.
something about you had 4 dogs of hers or something.
No, she had dogs.
That was her main complaint today. You're not answering her calls. You're not answering her calls.
And there are no
You have
dogs.
4 of her dogs, which again I'm familiar with her, so I know sometimes her statements, or pretty much most of the time her statements are not.
Yeah, it's fiction. She's living in another world.
Has she been? Do you know if she's been diagnosed with any mental?
I know that
disorders?
when she lived here, she was taking a lot of
Medications.
which of course she's not getting.
Any history of drug and alcohol use?
She would drink occasionally, but she wasn't a
Not
drug
abuse.
user.
Okay.
I don't think that's the issue there,
Does
which
her
makes it
family
all the more
have
sad,
mental illness?
What's that?
Does her family have mental illness?
I'm not privy to that. I don't know.
Okay. All right.
The police arrested the woman, stating that this was a necessary step to protect the homeowner and ensure public safety. The case raises questions about the responsibility of families and society to support individuals with a history of mental health issues, especially when they exhibit disruptive behavior or break the law.
Just verifying. Yeah. Yeah.
Where are my dogs?
Right, go ahead. We're born November of last year. Yep. All right, Riley, go ahead and send up one.
What am I being arrested for?
Trespass after warning.
I never had a warning.
You have me.
Okay. Where's my warning?
It was a verbal warning that an officer gave to you back in November of last year.
As well as your escort off the property, okay?
Nobody else escorted me off the
Okay.
front. Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Where are my dogs?
What are all your personal belongings here?
Just right here.
Okay. Your cell phone? Mm-hmm. This whole bag is yours? Yep. Okay.
Let me deal with that.
Okay.
Let me just confirm everything.
We're gonna walk this way. Right, that's 110.
It is essential to control behavior and adhere to the law, regardless of personal circumstances. The importance of supporting individuals with a history of mental health challenges is crucial to prevent harm to themselves and the community.
He said he doesn't have any of your dogs.
He took all 4 of them.
Okay. Was that 6 years ago?
No, that was year before last. No, last year. I'm sorry. I've been
Okay.
trying to get them back ever since.
Okay. We're gonna go in my vehicle here. So that would be handled civilly. We're gonna go on that floor side here.
So stealing property is civil.
Well, it's not really considered stolen property.
What's it considered?
I'll have to get more information on that. You have anything on you?
Not that I know. I don't think I have. No.
Real quick, I do have to search you just to make sure you have nothing else on you, even if it's a penny, quarter nickel, any of that, okay?
What's her name, Riley? Alright, Miss Riley, everything can come with you to the county jail except this tool and your vape pen.
Okay, where are
Has
you
to
gonna
be
put
disposed
those?
of.
Oh no, that's my property. Sorry, you can all take it. You can take it and put it in the lockup, whatever.
Okay?
No.
So I'm letting you know that. It's considered contraband.
Contraband for where? The police station?
No, so those stuff won't be accepted at the county jail.
Oh, you're taking me straight to jail?
Yes, miss.
Thank you for watching the video. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to share and leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing your thoughts to improve our future content.